In this video, I'll detail how to turn on microphone on iPhone. So if you want to enable microphone on your iPhone or iOS 10, this video is going to quickly walk you through. This is going to affect the WhatsApp microphone, Facebook microphone, and all the microphones on your iPhone. So if you found this really helpful at the end, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on microphone on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the iPhone settings, and on the settings page like this, scroll down and select privacy and security. Then once you selected that, just scroll down and then locate microphone. Click on that. Now once you click on the microphone, you see all devices that have access to your microphone. Here you can see I have WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Google, and GarageBand. Then if you have any other application that have access to your iPhone microphone, here you see them here. However, to turn off this application from accessing your iPhone microphone, you just need to do is click on the green button to make them gray. Now this is going to easily revoke GarageBand from using my microphone. Now to enable it or turn it on, just go ahead and turn this on as well. So if you have your WhatsApp microphone turned off, to turn it on, just tap this, and this is going to turn on the microphone on your WhatsApp app. So that's how you can easily turn on microphone on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.